Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Classroom from a teacher and from a student perspective. So I have this little class. So to get onto Google Classroom, you go into Google, and then if you hit the Google Apps, there's a Google Classroom here, or if it doesn't show up in this, you can just type it in. So this is the teacher version. So this is the class code that you can share with students so that they can join your classroom. This up here, if I had more classrooms, they would appear here. So this is kind of like your home page. I've posted 3 different things. This is the classwork. So these are all of the classworks that I've done. If I wanted to create a new one, so I can create an assignment, a quiz assignment, question, material, or a topic. So this shows me the teachers in the classroom, and you can add or invite teachers and invite students as well. I can also email, remove, or mute students if I wanted to do that. And if you click here, you can email students as well. The grades. So you can create due dates. I didn't create a due date on mine, but you can. You can also edit, so if I wanted to edit them or delete them. So this is what it looks like. Oh, cool. You can also, that's neat, add a rubric right here. I didn't. This is just a test that I did. So I did this, and I made it so that students will be able to get a copy of this. There's a couple different forms, but I had them do a poem. I can also add things to it. So any docs, slides, sheets, drawings, forms, I can add links and YouTube and files, all that jazz. You can also make it for all students or select students. So if I had more students, I could click which students I wanted to be able to access this. And then if I go to the student, this is the student version. Click on my class. So my classwork. So I think I did, which one did I do on this one? Now I don't even remember. You can also click on the student to see what they've done. Okay, so I did, I think Form A, so I'll do Form B now. So the students will click on this. Now I'm in the student version. Students will click on that. It will bring them to the document, and it will put their name in the title as well. So I'm just going to say, of course my computer is going to lag. This is a test. And then there is usually a turn-in button right here. I'm not sure why it's not showing up. But students will be able to turn in their work, and then you'll be able to view it. So this is now the teacher version. And you can add private comments and grades and all that stuff as well. And I think you can add comments. It says return. Oh yeah, see. So this student did not have to save it. Google also does automatically save. So you can type in the grade here. This is gonna, so say I want to type in, you got 100%. Good job. What's this? Oh, you can open it in a new window. So I can add a comment. I can say, can't spell. Oh my god. My computer is lagging a lot. I can say, great job, right? Post that. And then, so I also can return it to students. So just hit return. Return. Yep, so students will be notified and can check. Yep, I want that. So then when I can exit out of this. I can go back. Now I'm in the student version. If I go to classwork, view your work. See, it says assigned, but it says 100 out of 100. And this is where that comment was. So see that one private comment, great job. It's right there. So they can also filter, so like returned with grade. It will also make a folder. So let's see. So this is the teacher's Google, but so it will, anything that the students do will come in here. So like the actual documents themselves are in here in Google Drive. Same for the students. Theirs is in Google Drive as well, under their classrooms. Teachers are under the actual like classroom name. And that is Google Classroom. It's pretty simple, really easy to use. I like it. I don't actually use it for any of my like university classes, but I've seen teachers in the elementary and high school levels use Google Classroom, so I think it's really awesome. And there's the grades and all that. If you have any questions, comment down below, and let me know what else you want to see. Have a great day.